Hi, I'm Amy Sonneman. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today to see the Tulla and Norbert's Sweet as Honey collection designed by Becky Moore. This fun collection includes a collection kit with 6 designer papers as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, a 3-piece stencil set, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as this bright, bold, and beautiful ephemera pack. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. The collection includes all of the 6 papers that you see here. You'll get 2 of each of those papers in the kit, as well as the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I want to show you each of the papers close up so you know exactly what the designs look like. This paper is called Sunflowers. It has miniature sunflowers all over the paper with a bright white background. The back of that paper includes a 2-tone gray gingham, which mixes and matches beautifully with all of the papers and elements in this collection. This paper is called Tweet Tweet. It includes birds' nests and fun birdhouses on a bright white background. The back of this paper includes a beautiful wood grain that mixes and matches with the birdhouses. This paper is called Beekeepers, and if you're a Tulla and Norbert fan, this paper's for you, because look at all of the adorable little things that Tulla and Norbert are up to. They're planting flowers, they're beekeepers, they're picking flowers, they're just kind of hanging out enjoying the springtime. I also love the gray background with that hexagon beehive look to it. So cute. The back of that paper features an Aztec print with yellow and white accents. This paper is called Sweet Pollen. It features lots of beautiful, fun flowers in oranges and yellows and grays and white, plus lots of green leaves on a black background. On the back of that paper, you find this stunning black and yellow stripe, which would be great if your school colors are black and yellow. How fun is that? This paper is called Buzzing By. It features these adorable little bees buzzing around their honeycomb with accents of sunflowers on this fun wood grain background. The back of that paper has a hint of a honeycomb texture to it on this yellow paper. If you like cut-aparts, you're going to love the You're a Keeper paper, which includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts and 8 3x4 cut-aparts, including journaling spots, sayings, and of course Tulla and Norbert. The back of that paper is a black and white polka dot, perfect for mixing and matching with any of the pieces in this collection. This is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, which is jam-packed with lots of fun stickers of Tulla and Norbert, great letters, words, tags, fun little banners along the bottom that you can use on a 12 by 12 paper for a border, as well as cards and so much more. I love the little extra pieces, the tiny hearts, the little honeycombs, little birdhouses, the cute little honey pot. So fun. Add some foam mounting tape to any of these stickers to create a little bit of dimension on any of your projects. If you love to color and create cards, be sure to check out the Sweet as Honey Color Me paper, which includes lots of fun 3x4 cut-aparts to be able to color and cut out and use on cards and layouts and pocket pages and so much more. The back of that paper includes this great honeycomb pattern that you can ink blend. You can use it just the way it is. If you're a stamper and card maker, you will enjoy the stamp set that comes with 2 gnomes, 3 sayings, this tiny flower, and then this banner that all of the sayings can be stamped in. You can also pick up the coordinating dies, which are sold separately. There are 4 dies in the pack to cut out the 2 gnomes, this fun banner with the bees on either side, and then this little tiny flower. Now, if you want quick and easy cards, I highly recommend picking up the die paper that matches this collection. Simply take your die cuts and cut out each of the pieces individually. They're already colored, ready for you to create cards and add to layouts and so forth. You can cut out the two different gnomes as well as the banners and this fun flower. So if you're going to pick up the stamp and die set and you need quick cards or you want to do a make and take, the die paper is the perfect way to go. Another piece in this collection is the 3-piece Mylar stencil set. Each stencil is numbered in the upper left corner as to which one goes first, second, and third. When you layer them over the top of one another, you will get this beautiful, bright sunflower background, perfect for card making, mixed media, add to your layouts, and so much more. So if you love ink blending, mixed media projects, this is the perfect set to do that with. The last piece in this collection is the Ephemera Pack. This pack includes 26 fun and fanciful gnomes, sayings, banners, tabs, tags, frames, perfect for adding to any of your paper crafting projects. We hope that you have enjoyed the Tulla and Norbert Sweet as Honey collection as much as we have creating it. We'd love to see your projects, so be sure to add us to your Instagram feed with a hashtag #PhotoPlayPaper. That way we get to see all your beautiful creations. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and leave us a message. Thanks for watching.